What if your photo could instantly turn into a cartoon style sticker with drawing assist and the Insta Toon effect? Your Galaxy S25 Ultra can transform a photo into a sticker you can actually use in chat apps like WhatsApp. First, remove your S Pen to open up the recommend menu. Tap Drawing Assist. Tap Restyle Image icon. Select an image from your gallery. Choose Insta Toon as the effect. And then tap Generate and wait for the result. Tap the sticker icon above the image. As a note, when you save it as a sticker, only the main object is used, not the entire photo. The background is automatically removed. Next, choose a sticker style. As the example, we will use cutout. Tap Done to save the sticker. Next, to try the sticker, you can put back the S Pen in or not. Open a chat in a messaging app, for example WhatsApp. Tap the text field to show up the keyboard. Tap the emoji icon above the keyboard. Make sure you are in the AI style icon to see sticker made with drawing assist. Tap the sticker you just created. And then tap send a sticker to send it. In just a few taps, you have turned a normal photo into a fun cartoon sticker ready to use everywhere. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.